Battery maker Ganfeng Lithium has announced a renewal of its lithium products relationship with Tesla in a 3-year agreement. A company statement said it will provide battery-grade lithium hydroxide products to the electric vehicle giant from 2022 to 2024. That follows a 3-year contract between the two companies, which ended at the end of last year. Research provider BloombergNEF predicts that global lithium consumption is to grow 5-fold by end of this decade, as adoption of electric vehicles gains traction globally and demands more battery raw material supply. Ganfeng Lithium's stock price closed 4.5% higher today on the Shanghai market. 41 domestic banks listed on the Asian markets have released their third-quarter earnings reports, showing continuing gains in both revenues and profits. All of the country's 16 listed city-based commercial banks registered profit growth, 8 of them in the double digits, during the first 3 quarters of the year. 4 recorded revenue and profit increases of more than 20%. That was according to data from financial data platform Wind. Analysts said the fall in interest rates in the third quarter led to stronger gains for banks' bond investments, and that listed banks' provisions have been reduced from last year, thanks to a drop in non-performing loan ratios, which also contributed to the improved results.